Hi guys, hopefully you had a great Monday. May the force be with you Monday. Today is Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you have fun with that today, especially if you're in your Spanish classes. Um, Today you're going to do one of my most favorite lessons. You are going to be watching Disney World War II cartoons. So, yay! I know, I'm so excited. Um, what we're gonna do, because like during World War II, Disney turned to help like do things to help promote the war effort. So you're gonna be watching one of their cartoons where they're making fun of Hitler and Nazi Germany. So, of course, you're going to go into modules and you're going to go down to the Great Depression and World War II module. Then just click on Disney World War II cartoons. And I'm going to click on this to make it a little bit bigger there. Okay. And then you're going to click on this link right here and watch the video. Okay, fill in the questions as you watch it. You can watch it more than once. Then, if you're interested in the background about this, you can click on that link. Okay, then you're going to click on one of these cartoons. So this is 1, 2, or 3. So one of these 3. And then fill out the chart here with this, okay, about which one you watched. And then when you get done, you just go ahead and hit submit. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be watching 2 Disney World War II cartoons. I know I'm so mean. I'm making you guys watch cartoons. Gosh, sorry. I'm just such a mean teacher. But anyway, good luck and let me know if you have questions.